is Mary, and yes, I am going to check on the building again because one of our subscribers is asking to. There's no spider. Ayayay. Okay. Okay, so let me show you. This is the first building, which is closer to the highway or to the main highway. But we are already up in a mountain, but it's not I think it's in the middle before we go to the last building. So let me show you the whole building. So this is the outside. We can't get in because the school is closed already. So the outside, that is why we need to repaint this. All the windows, we've done this already because they don't have screen windows and the screen doors. So the helping hands made this already, as well as that grills for their CR, and also of course the screens. Now what we need to do on summer or maybe late March is look at that. So that's not the only one. The reason why the whole ceiling needs to be replaced with Hardiflex, because look at this one. These are termites. This one, the termites are going up to the plywood. So it's not good to use plywood when you live in the mountainside, or basically most part of the Philippines has termites, so you better use different types of materials. So all this one needs to be replaced because those are all plywood and it's not good, because they just changed that basically, but it won't last long. So there you go. Okay, I hope you're seeing the whole building there. Okay, the ceiling, the inside ceiling is also broken, so you see that. Let me focus on it there. That is why the whole ceiling needs to be replaced. Okay, now let's go to the second to the second building to check the outside. Okay. Okay, so here we go to the second daycare center in Panugtuban, Dawit. Like to show you. So this is it. Please bear with my video. I hope it's not making you dizzy. I'm not using my gimbal. So by the way, again, this is the second school or second daycare center that we need to, oh my god, hey, we need to repair. So technically their playground needs to be repaired also. So this one, so for now they are not using this. Shh, quiet, I'm making a video. So this one, okay, so these are their swing and their seesaw. We call that seesaw. And this is the situation of the second school. So this is more likely very worn out already, and also the whole building is, and so this school also we replaced the screen windows and the screen doors, and all we need to do with this is the bigger project, which is to repaint the whole in and out. And I guess their door is full of termites also. So these are termites because they use the regular woods. Unless you use a better door, then yes. There it is. So if you can see all those lines are actually the termites that are crawling from the ground all the way up to where they can find a wood. So because they eat up all the woods inside your house, so this building needs to be replaced. The back side, I don't want to go there. I'm scared because there might be snakes because there's a bamboo trees there, and also it's getting dark now, so forgive me if I can't show you the whole area, but the backside is worse than this one. Okay, so there you go. I hope it's okay. Yeah. So there you go. I hope the dog is very noisy. I hope that we could find some people that we wants to be part of our project this coming late March. We wait until the class ends because we cannot disturb the students while they're having classes. So we have to wait until they get it done. And summer starts, then we work on the school if we're able to come up with the amount that we need for the total renovation of that school. So thank you so much.